Hey guys, welcome to another video on brand device, business and finance. My name is Bharat and today we are chilling on my boat and I have Alina, my wife, behind the camera. And we are going to have a discussion about this one question I got on my Instagram story. So if you're not following me there, do that. Aditya says, motivation, fire to do something, craziness to escape 9 to 5 trap. So essentially he wants to know about like how do you motivate yourself to like escape this 9 to 5 trap. The story with the business is like, right now like things are not very different. We wake up at least like, at 5:30 or something. We start working at 6. We work till 11:30, of course with breaks in the middle. But like starting a business also takes a lot of effort inside, and I think like many people just like completely neglect that. They think that okay, starting a business is such a chilled out thing, like things will keep on happening in the back end. Yes, like when you are a large business owner, when you have a lot of like employees in place who take care of different kind of things, of course not a problem, like those kind of things can work out. But I think as a business owner, like this is something which you will have to like do. You have to like put some kind of maintenance work inside for sure.
What I wanted to talk about is that why so many people feel like this 9 to 5 is something really bad is because first
Yeah,
of
that's
all
true.
it's like taking away your whole day, and especially if you work in a place which you hate, which like for me, for example, the first year was so exciting, fun, and then after the second year it became repetitive. You start like not liking your co-workers, things get uncomfortable, and then these timings 9 to 5, like middle of the day, you don't have a morning, you don't have an evening properly. And then that's why I feel many people think it's a trap or it's like something bad.
Yeah, I think so. It's understandable. As an employee, of course, you don't even have a choice many times, So that part I can understand. But as a business owner, you at least have the choice if you want to like work or not. You can. You just have more flexibility. Like, that's true. But how do you actually like get away from this 9 to 5? Because I personally find it to be a very important question and something that people should really spend time with. I think the short way to fail on escaping your 9 to 5 is just quitting everything all of a sudden and like not even having a plan on what you're going to do. When I tell you the story of my business, so when I started, I was doing my masters, then I picked up my part-time job, then I started doing YouTube. So I was doing YouTube, part-time job and masters on the side. Then afterwards, and this is a full-time master, so you have to put a lot of time inside. Then afterwards I started my business. That meant I am doing my business, I'm doing YouTube, I'm doing my part-time job, and I'm doing my masters. These 4 things were going on the side, and it was never like I'm going to just quit everything, I'm going to quit my masters, I'm going to quit my part-time job, I'm going to quit everything. And I had this epiphany, and I'm going to just like focus on the business.
But
this is the biggest stupidity. You have to actually take the money from what you need to do right now, and you have to take it to the other place, to the place where you actually love to do what you want to do.
But some people also think, okay, I saved up, let's say I saved up 20,000, let me quit my job now and only focus on the business, which I again find kind of stupid. Like, you should already start something, build a website or something.
No, there should be some base which you should jump to. I think like just jumping completely into deep water and like not knowing how to swim, that's the short way of drowning. Be really focused about this. Like, when you want to like make these kind of like life changes, when you want to make these kind of transitions, it is very important that you plan it out properly. If you're just like, yeah, I'm just going to quit everything one day and like going to jump on starting my business, it is going to fail. Like 9 out of 10 times it is going to fail.
I think when you are older and you already have a partner or a spouse or something, that having a supportive partner is also very essential, because like I honestly, like, my mindset changed and only then I was like fully supportive of what Bharat was doing. Before that I didn't understand. I thought it was not
It's a general
going
thing.
anywhere. But then when I started like reading Rich Dad Poor Dad and understanding
yes, invest in yourself. That's so important. Like changing the mindset, that's, I think Alina says it over and over again, but that's one of the most important things which changes your life.
Yeah.
If you don't invest in like learning new mindset, new mentality, things stay the same. I can vouch for that. I know so many people who told me that they're going to be this like business owner, this entrepreneur and things like that, and of course everybody thinks of coming up with a fancy idea, the next Facebook, the next, I don't know, Snapchat and stuff like that. But no, that's nonsense. You are good at making handmade stuff, you're good at selling, sell it. make some money out of it. That's also a business. Yeah? You are good at like having a restaurant, make the money by opening up a restaurant. What's the problem with these kind of things? If you're good at coaching somebody, if you're good at teaching, do that. What's the problem with this? So it doesn't have to be like these fancy ideas, as long as you get to do exactly what you want, and I think you'll do fine.
Yeah, most people just see the end product, they don't see the process, and it's like a really hard way to go to the top. But I think like if you have the right mindset
Mm.
and if you stay away from distraction, like I always had the mindset of like I don't want to waste my time. I didn't want to waste my time dating people. I wanted to start building things, so I only wanted a serious relationship, like which ends up in a marriage, and then I can really start, working towards something.
Yeah.
I think that was also important, that like even
Not wasting time.
partying and all these things.
Everything takes time. I think like what people don't understand is, if you want to have your 9 to 5 and you want to like meet friends and you also want to start your business, it is not going to be
It's not
possible.
working.
It will not be possible. Simple. If you really want to like have your own thing, you have to cut time with the friends. So if you think about it right now, like of course we had like a lot of friends at that time, but like now we don't have any. Like we have some friends, so like 2-3 friends,
You
but
can count
that's
on
a
them.
very very short circle, because these are the same kind of people who are doing similar things, and we can like talk to them, we can connect with them.
And to be honest, like when you reach a certain stage and you
You stop relating to
you
most people.
are a business owner, and then let's say talking to normal people, they don't understand you, you don't understand them, it's very difficult.
Mm. Yeah,
Even
absolutely.
with family and friends, it's like that.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
it's a process
I
for
think
sure. It takes a lot of time.
that's our thoughts
Yeah.
on this.
I would love to hear your thoughts, so put in the comments section below. Of course, this was a different video, not your proper like investing and like business stuff, but I think the mindset is very important.
Yeah.
Without it, nothing works. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one.